Hello kids, let's learn some more alphabets. In the first video, we learned A, B, C, D, E. What comes after E? F. What comes after E? F. What is the sound for F? F. What is the sound for F? F. What is this? F. 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 Fruit. F. Fruit. F. Fruit. F. 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 What comes after F? G. What comes up after F? G. What is the sound for G? G. What is the sound for G? G. What is the sound for G? G. 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 Glasses. G. Glasses. G. Glasses. F. G. F. G. What comes after G? H. What comes after G? H. What comes after G? H. What is the sound for H? Ha. What is the sound for H? Ha. What is the sound for H? Ha. H. Ha. H. Ha. H. Ha. H. Ha. Hat. Hat. Ha. Hat. Ha. Hat. Ha. Hat. What comes after H? I. What comes after H? I. What comes after H? I. What is the sound for I? I and E. What is the sound for I? I and E. What is this? Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. What comes after I? J. What comes after I? J. This is not G. This is J. This is G. G. This is J. 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 What is the sound for J? J. Jam. J. Jam. J. Jam. J. J. Let's revise. F. 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 G. 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 H. 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 I. E. I. E. J. 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 Thank you kids for revising with me. Bye.